Plenty of green. Looks like a rally this morning. Dow up 400. Gary Kaltbaum with me today. Gary, you're warning that chip makers and AI stocks are under serious pressure. You think a big sell-off is coming?
Well, they have been selling off, and I have a couple of real big worries, and it's kind of simplistic. When I look at Micron, which was leading all the way, reports magnificent earnings and forward guidance, and the stock is not just dropping, it's crumbling. That is a warning shot. And then the big one, NVIDIA, which is the #1 biggest stock in the market. Think about this. 4 quarters of earnings acceleration, but the stock hasn't moved in 8 months. It's over 20% below the highs and has done nothing but sell off on those earnings reports. So I'm worried about 2 words: peak earnings for these companies in the AI space. And by the way, they hit the opticals, the data centers, the data, the storage, the memory in the last few days. So it's on notice right now, and I hope it finds some defensive areas real soon.
You're going the other way from a lot of people who say that this dip in big tech and AI is a buying, it's buy the dip. But you're not going that way at all. You wouldn't buy?
Not at this juncture. And just remember something. Some of this started a long while ago, which started with Oracle that announces a $500 billion a backstop going forward, and the stock's down 60%. A CoreWeave, highly touted, down 60%. Yeah. So something is up out there, and I do think that probably the best of the talk has already been out there. But we'll keep a close watch. We'll look for areas where it gets defended by the big institutions, and if it starts getting going again, we'll jump all over it. But right now, on defense, notwithstanding the bounce this morning.
Okay, yeah, let's get into what's happening now. We've got $100 a barrel oil, I said $103 right now, and we've got $4 gasoline. How long can the market live with oil at that level and gas at that level?
Well, it's a gigantic headwind, not for just the consumer but also business. If you think about it, I'm a big believer in what everybody is used to, and I have to tell you, the economy and the consumer are used to much lower prices. I look every morning in Florida. It was at $4.12 this morning. I believe it was $2.90 before the war. And as you look at the market, airlines, cruise lines, the most leverage to it, stocks getting hit. The transports, rails and truckers getting hit. Imagine Lyft and Uber drivers right now and how much more they're paying, and they're probably not even making any money right now. So things got to get relief as far as oil prices going forward. I think nothing really good happens. Again, one big gigantic headwind for the economy if it stays up here.
You've got 30 seconds to explain this. You say it's better to listen to you about brain surgery than listen to Fed Chair Powell about the markets and the economy. That's strong stuff, Gary. Make your case. You got 30 seconds.
He came out and stated that the printing of money did no damage. And all I can tell you is that he printed to $9 trillion. It caused major distortions. It screwed savers with 0% interest rates. And the distortions you're seeing in housing right now is an outcome of what he did a few years ago because of what he did with all that printing of money and taking rates down.
Thank you, Gary Kaltbaum.